Good morning, students. Welcome back. Yesterday we were talking about making words. What we were talking about? Making words with the help of 4 to 5 boxes. What we did? We took one letter from one column, second letter from second column, third letter from third column, and we made what? We made some meaningful words. What we made? We made some meaningful words. From A group we made some words. 5 words were made from A group. From B we made five words. From C group we made some words. From D group we made some words. And which is last group, fifth one, that is E group. From E group also we made 4 words. And then after that we were going to study about question number 2. What is that question number 2? Look, listen and circle the odd man out. What we have to do? Look, listen and circle the odd man out. Now here first example is BAT bat, BED bed, BOAT boat, HUT hut. Now which word is different, or which word sounds different in this all 4 words? B letter is there here first, here also B letter is there first, here also B letter is there first. Here B letter is there or what first? No. Now bat, bed, boat, they all start with which letter? They all start with B letter. So then which word will be odd man out in this? Only last word is the starting of the letter or the starting of the word is H, correct? So in this example, which word will be odd man out? Odd man out means what? Which is different word in all 4 words. HUT hut is the different word. So here it is told that we have to circle odd man out. Look, listen and circle the odd man out, right? First letter is B. Here also first letter is B. Here also first letter is B. Here first letter is B or what? No. So we have circled this word HUT hut. Now you will say, ma'am, bat is another word. Bed is also, meaning of bed is different. Bat's meaning is different. Boat's meaning is different. You don't have to see meanings. What you have to see? You have to see first letter of all words. Correct? Are you understanding or not? In this way, in first example, what is odd man out? HUT hut is the odd man out. Now second example which is given over here is SUN sun, LOCK lock, SACK sack, SOAP soap. Now what is this? You will say sun rises in the morning, Surya, correct? SACK sack, sack means what? Poto, correct? SOAP soap means what? Saban. Now all words start with which letter? All words start with S letter. Which letter? S letter. See, look, S is there? Yes. Here also S is there. Here also S is there. Have you got it? So here which example or which word will be odd man out? Because a lock will be odd man out. Which word will be odd man out? LOCK, lock will be odd man out. Now you will ask why? Because first letter of this word is L and the first letter of other words is what? S. So we are circling this word. Understood? In first example we have circled hut. In first example we have circled hut. In second example we have circled lock. Now third example, COCK cock, CAT cat, DOG dog, CLAP clap. Now just see first letters of these words which are same, C, and in between only which letter is there, or which word is having D letter, in between only D. So D will match or what? Everywhere D is there or what? No. There are all words which starts with C letter. So which example or which word will be odd man out in third example? Dog will be odd man out. DOG dog will be what? It will be odd man out. Next example is fourth one, ladder, leaf, rose and lemon. Now, come on, tell which word will be odd man out in fourth example. See, first word starts with L letter, second word also starts with L letter, third word starts with L letter, no. Fourth word starts with L letter, yes. So the word which do not start with same letters, others starts with same letter, L, L, L. R is different word, correct or not? If all words were of R, then R was not odd man out. But now here all words are with which letters? First letter of the word is L here, here also L is there, here also L is there. So Rose is the odd man out. Okay. In same way, there is fifth example. Fifth example is KEY, key, POT, pot, PEN, pen, and PURSE, purse. KEY, key, POT, pot, PEN, pen, PURSE, purse. Can you see? POT, pot, PEN, pen, PURSE, purse. Now in this words, which word is odd man out? Come on, tell me which letter is different. Here POT, pot, P is there. Here also P is there. Here also P is there. First letter of the word pot is P. First letter of the word pen is P. First letter of the word purse is P. So which will be odd man out? The first letter of keyword is K. So key is odd man out in fifth example. Okay. Next one is sixth. Sixth example is of toy, T-O-P, top, T-O-Y, toy, A-X-E, X, and T-R-E-E, tree. Now which letters are same? T, 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 right? So in this example, which word is odd man out? X is odd man out. Have you understood? In this way, we have completed question number 2 of our textbook. I'll show you this question. Please see this question in your textbook and complete this. You have to circle odd man out in the question second. Now what we have done in this lesson, I would like to revise once again. In making words, we have taken columns. 3 columns were taken, and in each column some letters were there, and with the help of those letters, what we did? We made words. What we did? We made some words. Now I will take one example, okay? Just a minute, I will take one example, and with that example we will make some words, okay? This is revision part of our lesson. After that, then we are going to start with new lesson. We are going to start with new lesson. For example, if I want to take word, just a minute, I want to take words. Now I will take some letters over here. Come on, let me take some examples. E-N, T, okay, M, come on, tell more, H, I will take A and N. A and N is taken out. A and N is also taken, I think so. Yes, A and N, A, N is taken, A, M is taken, I, N is taken, O, W is taken, U, N is taken. Okay, I will take A, N. Okay. F, more, P, more, which is there, we. I think so this example is over before also, then also we will take one example. Okay, now TAN, tan, MAN, man, FAN, fan, PAN, pan, VAN, van. In this way, what we have done, we have taken first letter, second letter, third letter. 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 First letter, second letter and third letter. In this way, we have made what? We have made words. What we have made? We have made words with the help of letters. I think you have understood. You have understood lesson, correct? Make words. Some these examples were taken in first period of the lesson also. Today also I have just revised it. We have repeated it, how to make words. Then after that we have done what? We have found out odd man out. After finding out odd man out, we have circled those odd man outs. What you have to do? You have to complete all these 5 columns in your English notebook, and after that you have to complete question number 2 in your English notebook. Please complete your work in time. Okay, thank you.